The 48th participant in the Silva Challenge is Ian Mutch, and he's in Canada. Yes, it's another international shipment going out. So let's see what we can put together for him. This 4x4 is kind of cool. It is a Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels 2001 SSR. Ah, it looks like it's a McDonald's issue. Yeah, McD Corp. But that's kind of cool. That'd make a nice post-apocalyptic build. Huh. Most of the paint's gone from that, but that'll work. Oh, yeah, that's pretty ugly. This. What is it, first of all? Let's see if I can find a name on it. High-Tech Missile by Hot Wheels. With some good wheels on it. And it's plastic body, metal base. If this was painted and not clear, it might not be bad looking. Or if you painted it and left it clear just above the engine, it might not be a bad casting. But the way it is a bad casting. Oof. That's all plastic. It's another McDonald's. Yeah, Hot Wheels for McDonald's. 2015. What the heck? I'll throw that one in there. I can't give you all just ugly castings, right? Oh, that's interesting. I'm going to hang on to that. Find out what the heck. That reminds me, this has those triangle screws in it, and I need to make a trip to Harbor Freight anyway. I need to remember to get the bit set that has those triangle screws in it. So let me set that to the side. I need to get to Harbor Freight because they've got a filling primer that they sell that might work really well on the FDM prints and small pieces and possibly on die-cast cars. I have to check it out. But here's an old McDonald's dump truck. I guess it's, yeah. I'll throw that in there because I always like throwing something construction in these. Wow, what's that? 2014 Hot Wheels. I don't know what that is. I'm going to set that. I'm hanging on to that one too. I'm setting that one to the side. I need to stop doing that. I need to stop pulling things out of here and keeping them to see what they are, because these tubs are ones I've thought I need to give away because I've got, Lord knows, more than enough projects. Chevy Nomad with the back half cut off. Back half was cut off because this was a bone shaker build I did that I put the Nomad back end on it. I was really happy with how that turned out. That's been around here for a while. That I've had. There's a cement mixer without the mixer. That's a Matchbox. Cement mixer 2006. Throw that in there. Maybe I can find a way to... Yeah, that'll work. That's interesting looking. Hot Wheels 1987. That's all metal, except for the plastic roof on it. But oh, good, they put an arrow. I don't know if you can see that. There's an arrow on the front of it, in case you were concerned about what direction that was going. That'll help you out, Ian, in case you were confused about which way that thing was pointing. Here's actually something pretty normal. A bully goat by Hot Wheels. It's worn off. I couldn't really recognize. That's the logo in gray plastic. As you see, it has like gray plastic pipes on the sides, or God, I can't even think what. It's hell getting old. I can't remember what things are called on cars, but the running board area. That's not bad looking. It almost, I'm thinking it's a Camaro knockoff somehow. How about an all-chrome car? The power pipes, which, why it's called that is anyone's guess, because it's heading that way. These aren't exhaust pipes. These would be intake. It'd have to be rear-engined. And there's just, yeah. They must have been desperate for a name for it. Ooh, there's something I want to hang on to, probably. No, I can get rid of it. 61 Jaguar E-Type Coupe. I don't know why when I first saw that I thought it was old. But there's that. That's kind of cool. No, I won't do that to you. I won't do that to you, Ian. I've already given you some weird stuff in there, but I've got to give you the Piranha Terror. Huh. Look at this. This is hilarious. Look, it's too bad the mouth doesn't open and close. The mouth, an eyeball, the fin, the exhaust. It's like a shark knockoff in a way. Let's get more normal. Oh, by more normal, I don't know who makes this truck. Has a big Phillips screw holding it all together. Everything identifying it is worn off. But hopefully you can use that for something interesting. How about a race car? Made in China. National Training Center. It's a Dodge. That's all I can tell you. That'll work. No. Didn't we do this before with this? Something similar with the engine that pops up and down. It's a cool engine. I'm going to throw it in there. It's a 1994 Hot Wheels. Again with the triangle screws. It seems like that's supposed to lock down in place, and then it pops up when you hit the side. Oh, there we go. Well, yeah, so it's locked in place, and then something hits the side and it pops up. But maybe you can use the engine for something. I'm gonna find something halfway decent in here. Keep it. Oh, there. See, now that looks mean. I think I threw one of these in a build recently, or in a box recently. Oshkosh Snowplow by Hot Wheels. All metal base, pretty much. Yeah, all metal body, even the back end. It's missing the snowplow. Snowplow must have been plastic on that. That's my bet, because it's obviously broken off. You know, I usually don't put these in challenge boxes. Lord knows what this is supposed to be. The engine on it is great. It's a Chinese knockoff. I have no idea what it's supposed to be. I probably should know, but I think that's a pretty good variety of stuff. I think since I threw that weird knockoff in there, I'm going to throw this weird Lambo knockoff in there too, if it'll fit, which it should. So there's that. What else can I fit in here? This is low and flat and pretty cool looking. Hot Wheels 2004 Mattel RD10 Hot Wheels. That's going to fit. Right, that's going to fit. That's going to fit. What do you think, Ian? Can you make something cool out of that stuff? Let's see, the box should close. Box will close. Okay. So that's cool. I think I'm stopping there, Ian. So let's move these aside. And what I've done differently this time, in past videos, I've gone through the tub of 3D parts. This time what I did is I just decided to do them this way. I put them on a paper plate. There's some stuff that Time Rider gave me. There's a bunch of other parts that I printed, FDM parts and stuff. A bunch of wheels, the cool wood style wheels that Time Rider did. Guns galore, skulls galore, bigger skulls. These are actually FDM printed skulls, which I'm just stunned how well they turned out with a nozzle that's bigger than I thought I was going to be using. I haven't changed it over yet to the smaller nozzle. But yeah, I thought this way you guys can see all the 3D parts in one shot and get a good look at them rather than me fumbling and grabbing this, that, and the other. And now we'll just disperse these through here. Get it all to settle in. There we go. There you go, Ian. I hope you have a fantastic time working with this stuff. Yeah, it's a bunch of junk, but it's a fun bunch of junk. And everybody, I hope you enjoyed watching this box go together. The 48th challenge already. It's crazy. Anyhow, everyone, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. I truly appreciate it. And let's see what Ian makes out of this stuff. Good luck, Ian. Thanks for watching, everybody. Catch you in the next one.